to make a no, no, to make a living as an artist, the quality of art is not necessarily important because I mean you can see there are a lot of artists that, in your opinion, for example, you would see as not being good, but we still make a living. You can see, so in a certain way, the quality of art is irrelevant to the fact that the artists make a living. Just making a living, I don't mean successful. And after, it's a business, and there are people who are very successful selling McDonald's, or the business of McDonald's, and you have Michelin first-star restaurants. So for the artist to make a living after a good living or amazing living, it's not related to the art. It's a business. It's a business. And it's not even, unfortunately, it's like that. It's just the thing. I mean, we don't. It has always been a business. I think there must have always been the need to convince people. And so it is a type.